Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 7, Section 4, Number 4, which reads, a market researcher selected 200 people at random from a group of people who indicated that they liked a certain book. The 200 people were shown a movie based on the book and then asked whether they liked or disliked the movie. Of those surveyed, 95% said they disliked the movie. Which of the following inferences can appropriately be drawn from this survey result? So, when you're dealing with survey questions, they're kind of outside the scope of regular mathematics, and ironically, well, maybe not so ironically, students who score very high sometimes have trouble with these types of questions. So you want to look for anything that might make the survey invalid. That's usually going to help you to answer the question. And if the 200 people liked a certain book, and then they're shown a movie and they disliked the movie, what I'm anticipating here is if we're talking about the entire population disliking the movie, that's going to be skewed because we are only taking those 200 people from those who like this book. But let's look at the answer choices and see if my prediction is correct. Answer choice A, at least 95% of people who go to see movies will dislike the movie. That might just be for this particular. We cannot make a generalization like that. Answer choice B, at least 95% of people who read books will dislike the movie. Again, generalization, and also we have at least, if it's 95%, it could be a little bit lower, it could be a little bit higher. Answer choice C, most people who dislike this book will like this movie. Okay, so when we look at it, they like the book. This is saying dislike this book, so that's an opposite. Now we look at answer choice D. Most people who like this book, they do like the book, will dislike this movie. 95% say that they dislike this movie. I think that's safe to say. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these survey-based math questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.